Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lettuce wraps. First, gather your ingredients for these delicious wraps. You will need about 1 pound of ground protein, like chicken or turkey, and a head of crisp butter lettuce or iceberg. Prepare your aromatics by mincing 3 cloves of garlic, grating 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, and thinly slicing 2 green onions. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone involved. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your ground chicken or turkey, breaking it apart with a spoon as it cooks. Stir frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the meat is fully browned and no longer pink. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat from the skillet to keep the filling light and flavorful. This step ensures a wonderfully textured base for your wraps. Now it is time to build the fantastic flavor. Add your minced garlic and grated ginger to the skillet, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sriracha for a touch of heat. Mix everything well, then let it simmer gently for 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce slightly thickens, creating a rich, glossy coating on the meat. With your delicious filling ready, it is time to assemble your wraps. Gently peel off the largest, crispest leaves from your butter lettuce or iceberg, creating perfect individual cups. Spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the warm meat filling into the center of each leaf. For an extra layer of flavor and crunch, garnish your wraps with a sprinkle of freshly sliced green onions and a handful of chopped roasted peanuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.